Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about inclusive education. Inclusive education. Inclusive education is about ensuring access to quality education for all students by effectively meeting the diverse needs in a way that is responsive, accepting, respectful, and supportive. Students participate in the education program in a common learning environment with support to diminish and remove barriers and obstacles that may lead to inclusive. Now, the question is, how do teachers respond to difference among their pupils? Well, I consider that the difference among students are not taken into account by teachers in our country. The classes are planned in a standardized way, which is why students get frustrated and abandon their studies because they believe that they are not capable, and many times they become a problem for society. Teachers are not having trained to face this reality, and many do not even realize the problem that is occurring in the classroom. I think it's time to do an analyze and look for alternative solutions to help students, teachers, and parents to contribute to a better education in our country. Okay, because it's a big problem when a right student with different situation, uh, for example, a student blind, the teacher don't have a capacity to teach this type of situation in a classroom. What technology do teachers need in order to respond more effectively to diversity in their classrooms? Well, not all students learning in the same way. That you had to change the way you teach. That the use of technology tools is important. That there are different types of intelligence and that it is necessary to know them to pay a class and be successful. What is the role of teacher in educational and ongoing professional development? The teacher must be a guide for the student and enhance their strength and help overcome the weakness of the student using different techniques that allow to include all the students regardless in their problem and their intelligence, even helping the students themselves and if the way have better results and the accompaniment with the student in their education. Inclusion allows teachers to learn new techniques that can help of their students. How can teachers be better prepared to work in mixed grouping of pupils? I think it's important that teachers are constantly training to be able to face different challenges they have in the classroom on a daily basis. They also have to be very creative when planning the class to achieve the expected objective. Also use different techniques to motivate a student and achieve significant learning. Use technical technological tools that there is make use of that is make use of these to innovate and focus teaching on the student and not on the teacher to achieve meaningful learning. When a big impact, use big image. Including education is a big challenge for all people, students, teacher, and parents too. Thank you for your attention. Thank you so much for your attention. So you have a day.